Right, welcome back. Still three diagrams, second chance, a second problem. Alfred and Barry have an equal chance of winning a point in a game. Draw a tree diagram to represent a situation of a total of 3 points have been contested. Indicate on your diagram the probabilities and all the outcomes associated with each branch, right? So Alfred and Barry, I'll label A for Alfred and B for Barry, alright? We come here, the T diagram, either Alfred get a point or Barry get a point. After Alfred get a point, we then have a situation where Alfred can get a point or Barry can get a point. Right, and if we continue further, there again either Alfred or Barry get a point. If Barry wins a point, then again Alfred has a chance to win a point and Barry wins a point. So just to somehow, with the printing and so on, the A's move. This A is here, that A and B is there, and that A and B goes there. So all these must be right here at the end. This set here must be down there. Right, so you see 3 points contested, A. There again, if Barry wins the point, Alfred has a chance to win a point, or Barry has a chance to win a point. After Alfred has won a point, Alfred can win a point or Barry. Again, if Barry won a point, either Alfred won a point or Barry wins a point. So I hope you follow, you understand. And each one, because there's only 1 point and there's 2 of them, each one has a chance of 1 out of 2 to win a point. It's independent events, so all the values stay the same on each branch. Alright, so they label Alfred won a point, or Alfred Barry won a point, Alfred Barry won a point. So you see I just label ABB, Alfred Barry won a point. Alright, so there I'm writing my outcomes. Now, for 5.2, calculate the probability that Barry would have won all 3 points, right? So for Barry to win all 3 points, what am I looking for? There must be 3 B's. Alright, so there B. You see there B, and I have half, and half. So probability that Barry won all 3 points is half times half, which then gives me 1 out of 8 chance for winning all 3 points. 1 for multiplication, 1 for answer, 2 marks. Alright, now we come to the next question. Calculate the probability that Alfred would have won 2 points and Barry would have won 1 point of the 3 contested. So for Alfred to win 2 points, it must say AA, and for Barry to win 1, I must have at least 1 point. So I come over to my 3 diagram. You see there AAB, Alfred won 2, Barry won 1. ABA, Alfred won 2, Barry won 1. I come further down. So that's the only 2 situations where Alfred has won twice and Barry won once. So probability Alfred wins 2 points and Barry wins 1 point is AAB, ABA, or and I missed BAA. Right, remember the probabilities are half for each one, so it's half times half times half, plus half times half times half, plus half times half times half. Gives me 1 over 8 plus 1 over 8 plus 1 over 8, which then gives me 3 over 8. Right, 1 mark for addition of all that and 1 mark for the answer. Right, and then last but not least, Barry and Alfred play a 4th point, so now we have to extend effectively our 3 diagram to include a 4th point. Calculate the probability that Alfred would have won 3 of the 4 points contested. So for Alfred to win 3, his name must appear 3 times. No? Alright, so if I look here, Alfred, if I 4th chance, Barry. Right there I can say Alfred, and Barry. Alfred, and Barry. Yeah, Alfred, Barry, and another A, Alfred, right, and the rest not. So the probability that he won all 3 points, AAB, AABA, or ABA, and ABA, and BA. Right, so now 1 over 16 plus 1 over 16 plus 1 over 16 is 1 over 16. Right, gives me 4 over 16, which simplifies to 1 over 4. So hope you follow, hope you understand. Enjoy. All the best. Bye.